Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for ENA. ETHENA targets updates with my customer Chris. Let's dive in, guys. If we zoom out on a weekly time frame, it start looking like ENA start forming the global weekly double bottom. Basically, it is what it is, and the size of that double bottom will be around, I guess, $2.50 to $2.44, and it's more than real to see. Even if we zoom out on the line chart, it's also start looking like a double bottom. Most negative scenario for the ENA, if we will form the this is a global double bottom, but we will form the cap and handle for the September. So the first trouble area is here. It's 93.1087, this one. If we reject at this block, most likely in September we will see the formation of this cup and handle. If not, and if ENA on some news, some pump, we'll see that another major move over than $1, everybody will open longs, and only after that we will see the correction, for example, like this one, and go higher to the top. But looks good. So it was a deviation. So also the idea, for example, this is a range, so like top target, and we sweep the low on BitGet. You remember I thought it's like a deviation at the bottom, and based on this logic, usually we form it after that another deviation at the top. So the deviation at the top should be around here, something like this one. So this is what I'm waiting for ENA, but it's hard to say about the timing, and looks like it will be there just a really global range for ENA, for example, with the new all-time highs. Yes, capitalization kind of big one, still not all tokens in circulation supply. So yes, we will see some seller pressure, and I showed you the some wallets control the big emission of this token. So anyway, they needed time to distribute their bags because they can't press sell by market, because the token will dump like this one. That's why, yes, we hold the line. FIB basically relevant, if we invalidate the idea. If we sweep the low on line chart, we didn't, just with a weak candle we sweep it. So the best zone to buy in being here, 28.32. Take a look how the price respect the level here, rejection till penny at 41.94, and we 41.94 and bounce back 32.31. So this is how the algorithm works. Now after that, the tested here. Everything not random, guys. Take a look. I'll repeat again. 1, 2, and 3. So it's not random, So the targets, guys, absolutely legit, because we can see how the price respect the level and react at that level. So the zone of swing trade fixation. It will be not a mistake to fix some profit here if you bought it ENA before. But of course, I think ENA will hit the new all-time high. It will be one of not so many tokens which I think will hit it. So here was a major accumulation, formed divergence on a weekly. Now we at the distribution zone, but not overhype it. That's why, yes, I think time to out of ENA. Global one will be when the BTC dominance will be under 55%, and I think around and over than $2 to $2.50. After that, we'll see some divergence daily time on the weekly daily time frame, like you can see on ADZ indicator, and direction. On direction, by the way, on the weekly time frame, nothing. On the daily time frame, like you can see, we already formed the divergence, because here it was a top, here's a divergence, and it's kind of so obvious. So we will see some rejection at this block and start forming probably the cup and handle. So it can be this move, maybe even with new high, and after that drop once again to 63 cents. So just be careful, guys, because daily we bullish, but here's the signals to correction. Here's the signals to correction. So just be ready, guys. The last time when we saw this signals preparation for correction, we dumped it like 26%. So if from now we will dump 26%, it's going to be, yes, around, once again, 63, 65 cents. So just in case. Take a look, market mode indicator, overhype on a daily. We need to see the, again, euphoria like it was here. And I think soon we will see this one. What is good for ENA, it was a capitulation zone. So it was the best time to hop in ENA. We never seen. And you know, the model of ENA, this indentation accumulation pump model, this range, market mode indicator, for example, the data you can track on other tokens and probably catch some alts with this situation like ENA. And I need to check the money inflow in the ENA here. Now, RSI bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence, now money outflow. Last time money outflow being like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 weeks in a row. Now we just begin. One, pause. We at the top. Soon I think we'll see another money outflow. That's kind of, guys, scary for local targets. So be ready, guys, for local sell-off on ENA. Just in case. It's just my personal opinion, you know. Trade on, guys. Trade on buyback. Sell fixation. Now no signal, no new signal to sell, guys. Weekly time frame, sell, buy back. Also no new signal to sell. So nothing new, guys. Still no signals to sell at the stop. And the last indicator, guys, it's take profit. Take a look the daily. Yes, we trade way over exit line. Last time when we traded, we trade long-term period, because here after retest of exit line above, it was like November 24, we trade 1 month more. So probably if it was a last retest, maybe we'll trade till even the September, something like this one. And only after that drop to the buy line. Buy line to now it's 26 cents. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 26 cents for sure not. Weekly time frame, no data yet. So daily, I showed a 12-hour time frame, 30 cents. I don't think so. Also, will drop to 30 cents now. So guys, a zone of fixation, swing trades. If you bought in the best zone to buy, if you decide to buy now, just be ready for correction, but based on this price action, looks like ENA goes straight forward over than $2. So just in case, it's just my humble opinion, guys. If you like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Matagam Shalom. See you next time, guys.